Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good one. Bye. I'm going upstairs. Bye. I'm going upstairs. Hooray! Elevator button, please. Mm-hmm. Oh, criminal car. Someone already hit it.
Well, then we'll wait for the next one then.
Yeah. Those are the elevators. What is that?
Somebody probably went out a door they're not allowed to go out or something.
This is cool. You should check it out. Your security. What door?
Do not use the elevator.
Shut up!
That's
Shut the fuck up!
enough. It's a trigger for him, the alarms.
Put it in progress. Put it in progress.
Thank you. What's he doing?
I don't know.
Is the fire department gonna come?
No,
How come?
you're in good shape.
How come the fire department is gonna come?
Pick up the blanket, buddy. It's
How
driving
come
you
the
again.
fire department isn't gonna come? How come the fire department isn't gonna come?
There's not a fire, buddy.
You're taking it the longest with you, right?
I'm sorry.
You're taking it the longest.
Let me
Oh, yeah,
push the
yes.
button, please. I actually enjoyed that.
You didn't act like it.
Mmm. There's the elevator. Let me hit the button,
I
please.
think you did, buddy. It works for both sides. There's 3 of them.
I'm gonna hit it.
You'll get it. You'll get it.
Yeah. You can push 5, okay?
I actually enjoyed that alarm.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Appreciate you.
Okay, that's enough, buddy. That's enough buttons.
What time is this?
It is 7.
No, he said, what kind is this? I think he wants to know what kind of elevator. Well, buddy, you're the expert. What does it sound like to you?
Westinghouse?
It might be a Westinghouse.
I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that.
Okay.
There it is.
So what happened? What happened, Mr. Security?
It's just an alarm.
Well, how?
That's real. Maybe it's real. Or that door that was just open by accident.
I drilled out a door was open by mistake.
Probably one of the fire exits.
Be advised, the cold